Let's solve this 2020 PSLE Math question on pattern together. Hi everyone, in this Practical Math video, we are going to take a look at one of the 2020 PSLE Math questions on pattern and learn how to solve it. Now let's read this question together, okay? Anna has a tube with stars and hearts printed on it. The shapes follow a repeated pattern as shown below. Now after reading this sentence, the first thing that we want to do is to try to find the pattern that's being mentioned, okay? So what do we have here? We have one star, two stars, followed by one heart, and then we have another star and another heart before we see another two stars again. So do you see the pattern here? After going through 5 shapes, we have another 2 stars, 1 heart, 1 star, and another heart. And that's how we know that the pattern repeats after every 5 shapes. Reading on, we are given that Anna cuts a piece of tape from the rope. Now here comes the question. If there are 135 stars on the piece of tape that she cut, what are the possible numbers of hearts on the piece of tape? How do we go about solving such a pattern question like this? Well, the key to solving this question is to think in terms of groups, alright? Since we know that the pattern repeats after every 5 shapes, let's put these 5 shapes into one group, okay? How many stars do we have in one group? We have 1, 2, 3 stars, correct? Now since we are given that there are 135 stars on the piece of tape that Anna cut, let's divide 135 by 3 and see how many groups of 5 shapes we can have, okay? What do you get when you take 135 divided by 3? Do you get 45? If you did, great job. And this is the number of groups of 5 shapes that we have. Following so far? Now what we are going to do next is to look at the last group, which is the 45th group, and see what are the possible ways that Anna might cut the tape. Alright? The first way is quite easy, and I'm sure that most of you would think of cutting the tape at the end of this group. So if we were to cut the tape in this way, we are going to have exactly 45 complete groups of 5 shapes. Correct? Now let's see how many hearts we have in one group. We have 1, 2 of them. Since we have a total of 45 groups, and we know that we have 2 hearts in each group, how do we find the total number of hearts on the tape? If you said multiply 45 by 2, great. And 45 times 2 gives us 90 hearts. But is this the only answer? Of course not. See the word R over here? So that's a clue that we are going to have more than one answer to this question. So let's think about the second way, okay? If we still want to have 135 stars, where else can we cut the tape? We could cut the tape right after this star, correct? And that will keep the number of stars the same. But when we do that, we are going to reduce the total number of hearts by 1. And because of that, another possible number of hearts would be 90 minus 1, which is 89 hearts. And that's how we know that the 2 possible number of hearts on the tape are 90 and 89. Do you get that? As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!